welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I fill in my eyebrows. There's not really much to filling in my eyebrows. I don't go all the way out. I don't like carve them out. I don't do anything like that. I like them very natural looking, and I like them cleaned up a little. Like I'm trying to grow them out right now, so they kind of look a little bit crazy. Honestly, my eyebrows don't take me that long to do. Probably maybe five minutes. So it doesn't take me that long. I don't like to spend that much time on my eyebrows. I just like a more natural looking eyebrow. I mostly fill them in for the color because my eyebrows are kind of lighter than my hair. So I think they look better when they're filled in. So if you want to see how I fill in my eyebrows and some tips to help you guys with your eyebrows, then make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so starting off for the eyebrows, you're just gonna need a little spoolie to comb out your eyebrows, and then just a little eyebrow pencil, which I like mine really small and like on an angle so I can really carve out my eyebrows. Then you're gonna want your favorite eyebrow pomade or like a powder. So I like to use a pomade, and this is mine. I use it a lot. I really don't even know where I got this from. I know it's not an Anastasia one. I don't even know, but you guys just use whatever you like to use on your eyebrows. So when I do my eyebrows, I don't like them very drawn out or like very like clean like some girls have them. I just don't like that for myself. I like them to look nice and just natural. Sometimes I don't even conceal underneath my eyebrows, but today I'm probably going to because of my eyeshadow. So to start, I just take my spoolie side and I just brush my eyebrow hairs up and to where like I want them to sit. So pretty much like that. And also my eyebrows are lighter than my hair, so that's another reason why I fill them in a little bit, because I like them to match like my hair color. So now taking this part of it, I'm just gonna put it in the eyebrow pomade. And I first like to start out from the front of my eyebrow, and I like to work my way down. To start off by making a line from where my eyebrow starts to like the arch point, and then bring it down. Just very lightly, I'll just start moving my way up and blending the eyebrow color together. Then as I go along, I just comb them out. I'm just gonna fill in a little, and I like to do eyebrow strokes, so like I don't like color it in. I like to just go really slow and just lightly fill in my eyebrows. So my eyebrows look kind of crazy because I'm trying to grow them out, so I'm not gonna pluck them. But when I do pluck them, I don't get my eyebrows done. I do them myself. I just do whatever eyebrow hairs are down here, and that's pretty much it. I don't really do a lot. So I'm just gonna keep doing little by little and just filling in and how I want my eyebrow to look. So for the front of my eyebrows, I just take the brush like this and make straight up lines and just fill it in so it's not like a complete square, but it looks like it fades into the eyebrow better. So yeah, that's pretty much what my eyebrows will look like once I'm done. I mean, this is pretty much all I do. I don't go overboard with my eyebrows. So yeah, this eyebrow is pretty much done. And now I'm gonna move on to the other one. So that is pretty much it for my eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna take some concealer, and I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just gonna take this on a little brush and conceal a little bit. Now I don't do this all the time, like I rarely ever do this, but only because I'm wearing more eyeshadow, I'm just making the look a little bit more cleaner. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope some of my eyebrow tips helped you. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what eyebrow pencil or pomade you use, because I would like to try something new, because I've been using mine for forever and I can't even tell you how long. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.